Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 10 divided by 20 and 10 multiply by 20. Okay, so now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, and second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question, 10 divided 20 can be written as, in the parenthesis, 10 divided 20, then divide, now in the second parenthesis, 10 multiply 20. Okay, now 10 divided by 20 is equal to 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1, 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. Okay, so 1 divided by 2, then divide 10 multiply 20, because we have to solve parenthesis first. Okay, so first we solve this parenthesis, now we have to solve this parenthesis, because PEMDAS tells us first we have to solve parenthesis. Okay, 10 multiply 20 is equal to 200. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same, 1 upon 2. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. Divide 200 is equal to 1 upon 200. Okay, so now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, then 2 multiply 200 is equal to 400. Okay, so the correct answer is 1 upon 400. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.